Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing users with rostered classes in Skyward, as well as campus-wide principal level access, how to access all student data for a given assessment. This video is going to be especially helpful for any campus leaders like instructional coaches or assistant principals or principals who have a rostered class, even if it's a flex class period or a lunch class period, but they want to access campus-wide data. To access any student level data, there are a couple of ways to do that. First, on your overview page, you have quick access to the quick views section. This will look very much like the traditional aware data analysis views. To do that, you need to first switch the level of student access from all my students, which is really showing more like rostered classes, all students in your rostered classes, as evidenced by this list right here. You need to switch it to Analyze Tests. That will show you campus-wide access. So if you click on this assessment, I'm going to be able to see all student level data. The other two ways to access data is over here in the navigation pane in the analysis section. You can do quick views, which gets you to the same place as this on the overview page, but you are able to access all assessments under quick views, not just recently scored ones, or you can access it through single test. This is the new dynamic visualization method for data in Aware for our local assessments. Whether you access it through quick views or single test, before you start using the filters or clicking on any of the tests that you see, the most important thing that you do is switch the view access from all my students to Analyze Tests. That will again show you all students' scores once you click onto a particular assessment. After that, you can begin using any of the filters to find any particular assessment that you're looking for. Once you find it, you click on it, and this will show you all data for students on campus. In single test, the quick way to know if you are accessing all student data is looking up in the top right hand corner to the number of tests scored. If that looks like the total number of students who should have completed that test, then you have accessed the right place in single test. If you are accessing tests through the quick views, again, remember to switch to Analyze Tests. Select the assessment. You can change the drop-down menu to show any of the normal quick views that we would use in the old Aware view. Click Apply. And when you click on the student level summary, then you should be able to see all students on campus who took this assessment.